Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about the Toyota Prius Plug-in Hybrid. So I ended up getting a new, well, I guess it's new to me, but I bought it used, but it's a Prius plug-in. And when I bought this car, it had the little green stickers, as you can see here. So here in California, if you have the green stickers before, then you can hop in and out of the carpool lane, even if it's only one person. So here, there's a lot of traffic, so it was well worth it to pay the extra $1,000 or $2,000 it was for this used car to have the stickers. Since then, they have expired, and that's unfortunate, but maybe in the future they'll put those back together. But I actually never really used the plug-in. I've only used it, I think, maybe 2 or 3 times now, because I live in one of these typical Los Angeles apartments where, you know, they don't have the plug-in garage like some of the newer buildings do. But once in a while when I'm out and about, I'll find one of these plug-in parking spots, and I decided to go ahead and use one. I was in Beverly Hills and this one was free, so that's pretty cool. So I'm going to show you how to plug in and unplug your Prius plug-in hybrid. So basically here we are in the parking lot, and you have to pull in front of these machines. Be sure to check to see if it has a credit card reader or not, because if it has a credit card reader, then it's probably going to charge you in order to use it. This one was free. So basically all you do is just walk up and you grab this little gun looking thing. And I don't know if there's different adapters, like if you have a Tesla or you have a Fiat or something like that, but this adapter fit right into my Toyota Prius hybrid plug-in. I didn't have to use my wires, I just used the wire that was there on the wall. And basically what you do is you just walk it around over to your car, and then as you can see here, the adapter on the gun from the wall looks identical to the female outlet on the Prius plug-in. Now the Prius plug-in door, you don't have to press any kind of buttons to open it up. All you do is just push on the door and then it clicks and then it'll open right up. So once you open it up, then you can just pop it right in, and make sure that you hear it click because it has a lock on the top there. And once you hear it click, then it's set in, and then this little orange light on the left here should pop right up, and that lets you know that it's charging. So these batteries are pretty small. I ended up leaving it there for maybe 20 minutes, and then when I got back, I just unplugged it. You don't necessarily have to wait until it's completely full. If you can, that's great, but these things, I think they can only hold up to 15 miles of a charge or something like that. If you happen to know what the maximum charge is for these Prius plugins, be sure to leave a comment below, because again, I've only used the plug-in maybe 2 or 3 times through the life of this car, so I don't really have good knowledge on that. But once you're done, then you just bring it back to the charge point and just place the gun down there. One thing I want to know is that when it's plugged in from the charge point into your car, the charge point's going to notate that it's charging or if it's already completed. It goes into some sort of a safety mode, I guess, once you're finished charging. I've only done that once, so I don't remember exactly what it said, but for mine it still said it was charging because I only got part of the way through. So once I got back into the car, then it shows that I am running on electric vehicle only, and it also lets me know how much of a charge I got on my Prius plug-in. So here, looking at the screen right now you can see it's 5.2 miles, so that means that I can go 5.2 miles on just the battery alone. So that was pretty cool, especially since this was a parking garage and the charge was free. So if you translate that into dollars, I mean, this thing gets 50 miles per gallon, so I save 5 miles. A gallon of gas right now as I'm recording this is about $4, so what is that? 10% of a gallon. So I got basically 40 cents for free. So it's not a lot of money, but it's nice to know that I'm driving for free for the next 5 miles. So that is how you charge your Toyota hybrid Prius plug-in. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But hopefully you found the video useful, and I hope that you subscribe. Thanks for watching.